According to HG, their drain and plug unblocker takes care of blockages in one go. Too good to be true? Follow me to HG. Hi John.
Hi.
Is it true that the HG drain and plug unblocker solves blockages in drain pipes in one go?
Absolutely, in one go and also within 5 minutes. There's no other liquid drain unblocker that works so quickly and effectively.
Sounds good, but of course we want to see that for ourselves.
No problem. Our recipe causes a so-called saponification process. It makes the blockage soft and the blockage will disintegrate into all kinds of chunks. And then, after 5 minutes, you just flush the remains away with water. Did you know that HG was the first in the market with a successful liquid drain unblocker? That advantage resulted in the development of a whole range of very effective unblockers.
Do they all get it right the first time?
Absolutely.
Thank you, John.
You're welcome.
So it's true, the HG drain and plug unblocker does its job in one go.